got the new drip from Zendure. This is the SuperMini Go. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have it. That's the box, still wrapped. So let me remove it. So here we have it. That's the front side right here. That's the back with all the specs. We have this side right here and the other side with this QR code. Top and bottom is blank. And down here we have this little flap. So let's pull it out. So there we go. So we have the power bank itself right here, the black model. And then in here we also have the strap. So that was everything inside the box. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and a close overview. So here we have it. First of all, let's mount the strap. By the way, this is a rubber strap and it can stretch a little bit. This is what it looks like. And right here, the little string. On the back we have this cover, so let's get rid of this. So it resembles a camera. When I first saw it, I actually thought this is like a little camera, but no, it's a power bank. And this base right here, this is where you can put the phone for wireless charging. And as we can see right here, this thing is also part of the base where you can place the phone. The body has this nice pattern to it, these sprinkles or dots. We have the same on the back side, and the accents are, well, this is white and the rest is rose gold. So this thing on the front, it won't open. Yeah, again, it's not actually a camera, it just looks like one. Right here it says SuperMini Go. And right here it says wireless charging 15 watts. Right here it says Zendure, get charged, get going. And this is the back right here. We have this pattern right here. Looking interesting. This is also to protect this LCD screen, which is somewhat hidden because it just looks like another rose gold accent. But actually when you press the power button, you can see it right here, there is a screen underneath. We'll check that out later. On top, we have the power button, or some call it the shutter button, but yeah, this is actually the only control button that you have. We have the sides, one for the strap and the other one for the charge ports. We have the Zen plus 2.0 and we have USB-C. This is in and out, so the power bank gets charged over this. And on the bottom we can find all the data about this power bank. And here we have the screen. Double pressing the power button will activate the low charging mode, the low power mode, to protect devices that can't handle the fast charging. And when we double press it again, it will go back to the normal mode. And now fast charging is activated again and you will get the full output. And then again we have the logo and get charged, get going, and we also have the percentage of the battery. Press and hold to turn it off, and press it once, it will turn on immediately. It's very fast and it's looking awesome. Good stuff. Now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. The key features of this device are, well, first of all, we have 15 watts wireless charging. Take your phone, place it on top, and for all the phones that will support this type of wireless charging, they will get charged. 15 watts is quite a lot, especially for wireless charging. What's even better though is the USB-C port. You can charge your phone with up to 20 watts and you can charge a phone from 0 to 50% in usually around under 30 minutes. Another feature is of course the screen, where you can check the battery level and always get a status update at a glance. Aside from wireless charging and USB-C charging, you can of course also use the USB-A port. So all in all, you can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously with this device. And thanks to the huge 10,000 mAh capacity, charging multiple devices is not a problem whatsoever. And lastly, it has a super compact form factor. It's like it has almost a credit card sized footprint, and this leather lanyard for super portability. You can just strap it to your wrist and just like that bring it everywhere. No need to worry about losing it, and it also looks awesome. Not bad, right? And now let's give it a little test. So I'm no Apple user, I'm an Android user, and I also do not have devices that you can charge wirelessly. So for this test, I will use the USB-C port, regular USB-C to USB-C cable, and now, so fast charging, let's go. And then I will also use the USB-A port to also charge my other phone. There we go. So both of them are charging, of course. When I press and hold the power button, it will turn off and the charging will stop, of course. And one press, this one went back immediately, and the USB-C one, alright, there we go. Once more, turn it off, and turn it on. Yeah, as we can see, we need to replug the USB-C cable, and there we go. Not bad. And to demonstrate the full capabilities of this power bank, check out this video by Chris Wilmshurst. It's of course listed and linked in the description, and he's using it to charge 3 devices simultaneously. Check out this amazingly strong magnet. This is made for the MagSafe line, so Apple users will love it. So not only can you wirelessly charge your iPhone, it will also stick to it. And you can also charge your AirPods, as you can see right here. This is a super refreshing new take on a power bank. Usually they look ugly and boring, but this one actually looks quite special. Definitely a cool design, and you wouldn't expect this to be a power bank. Actually, when I first saw it, I actually thought that this would be a camera. The design is obviously oriented around a little, you know, a vintage camera. Love the idea. The build quality is also top notch, great build quality, and I definitely like the design. As I said, Apple users will love this for sure, but also Android users like me will also love this. With the small form factor but still a big capacity, you can easily bring this everywhere and it will still last a very long time. If you have MagSafe devices or devices that support this type of wireless charging, then you can charge up to three devices simultaneously. If not, you can still charge 2 devices simultaneously. So you can charge 2 devices cable bound and 1 device wirelessly at the same time. Wirelessly you can charge with 15 watts of power, and the USB-C port has even more, it has 20 watts of power. And with the USB-C port you can charge a phone from 0 to 50% usually in just under 30 minutes. So yeah, it's really powerful. Back here you also have a nice LCD screen to check the status, and you even have built-in safety features that you can activate by double pressing the power button. So this thing is just great all in all. And yeah, definitely trippy. So check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link their current crowdfunding campaign, and later on of course the best deals for you. And before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.